Hey everyone, so before we get started with our actual fun part and searching for 2D shapes, these are the websites that we have so far, which will be exploring shape simulations. We have the virtual pattern blocks, which is what we're going to be mainly using, while also having just shapes. So if you may be not familiar with shapes, this is a perfect example. Lastly, shape games. So if you want to maybe get into finish your work a little bit early, then you can go ahead and work with that. But let's move on with our pattern blocks. So this is a little bit, we have two different websites of pattern blocks. This one's a little bit more into the regular side. This is how we can see patterns and we can design them. So this is obviously one shape and how many sides does it have? How many angles does it have? We have to count that. This is a square, so and you can make it however you want. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 for sides, of course. But obviously, if you look into this, you can we have shapes that make things. So we have maybe like, for example, a person, a turtle. So everything you see in your daily life, maybe you could see it here. If you don't really specifically really like that, or maybe just want to go a little bit more in depth and within just shapes, this is a perfect opportunity. So it helps you also figure out how many sides, angles everything has. We have again a square. So of course, remember you're going to be picking two different shapes, and you're going to be talking about them, how you can use them in your daily life. So for example, obviously we can use blocks to make turtles. You can either make it through Lego blocks or here through the website. And yeah, so this is a little bit moving forward. Then we're going to be moving into our edit puzzle, which is an edit puzzle, a little bit more into the fun side, talking about 2D shapes, angles, and the squares. And then the fun part where you get to work with your group and do what the rest and finish with the reflection. Thank you.